What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a good day. As those of you who watch my videos know, I said I would be restructuring my videos and I would be breaking everything down into small cap, mid cap, and large cap, which is growth stocks, value stocks, and income stocks. However, I just simply have not had time to do that. So here's what I've done. I've taken a list of stocks that I feel are good investments with good potential, good prices. And some of the stocks may slightly move down or move up from when I, call the price. I might mention a couple things as I go through the list. Um, this is not financial advice. Trade and invest at your own risk. But if anyone's interested in working with me personally, I can tell you that's far more effective than doing the videos. Um, but I just, as I've said before, I'm not a video maker. I don't I don't understand the effectiveness or efficiency of covering one or two stocks. It just doesn't make any sense to me. This list I have is around 70 stocks, and this is a small portion of what I cover, and it works well for me. It's hard work. It's a lot of work. It's around the clock. It's bust ass work. But you know, it, uh, what I see is getting in a lot of stocks at good prices, um, exiting at a certain price, you know, and you don't just throw all your eggs in one basket. That's why most people are losing their ass off in the market. And anyhow, the CPI report was ugly. That should have been expected. The market moving down should have been expected. As I said before, so now we're seeing all this blood in the water. So we have to be sharks and strike. You don't wait until the prices go up and start biting, and then people take profit and you start losing. You want to get in low, right? So, um, what I'm mentioning is a small portion of the stocks I cover. I cover on my own time several hundred stocks, and I cover a lot of different cryptos. I, as I said again, I know there's people that do maybe one or a few videos a week, and they cover one, two, or whatever, a few different positions, and I just don't understand how that's very beneficial. Um, so anyhow, um, I'm going to be giving you entry points. Maybe you're in some of these stocks, you want to average down. Maybe you're not in. Maybe you're taking an interest. Some of these are prices where we're at today or close to. Some of these are prices I'm expecting the stocks to go to. It's all different price, but the bottom line is these are prices I recommend a buying at. So the reason I moved to doing this is, for one, as I said, um, I'm not a video maker. I work with several different people on the side to help them with their portfolios. And this, for me, it's about building wealth. It's about helping people build their wealth and making the most of my time on videos. And I feel the best way for me to do that is to give you good entry points on several different positions. Not just one, not just covering AMC or GameStop every day as the stock just continually plummets to shit. I'm still in AMC. Um, Same with GameStop, but the bottom line is they're risky stocks. So I'm not going to be doing any specific predictions in this video. I'm giving you what I feel are good entry points. Um, a lot of you know that on the 15th of March, the feds are set to start raising interest rates, right? So, um, you know, we may see fintech start to recover here in April. I'll be mentioning some fintech stocks. As you know, I've already suggested investing in oil a while back. That turned out very good. I've covered a lot, and I've covered, how the financial sector stands to benefit when the Fed start rising interest rates. And I've also went into economic inflection points at which, in economic, essentially, in layman's terms, disaster can turn into a financial disaster. So this is something we can discuss more in detail later, but you have to really understand the economy to understand the stock market. And the fact is, gas prices could surge another $20 or $30 a barrel. It's yet to be seen, but that's why I said it's I'm in and out of a lot of stocks. Am I a day trader? No. I've had people ask me that. So you're a day trader? No, I'm not a day trader. I just want to be very clear. I get in at X, I get out at this price, and it's that simple. It's in terms of time, it's illusory. I'm gonna get in here, I'm gonna sell here. That's it. It's the time. It doesn't matter as far as the timeline. Um, in terms of whether it's 2 days, 3 days, a week, 10 days, 2 weeks. Okay. I'm also a long-term investor. I have several different portfolios, and anyhow, what I've tried to do is narrow down stocks that I feel are good investments. Like I said, I cover many more stocks. I got this list ready. So if you want to get out a pen and paper, you just want to make mental notes. It's your money. Do what you feel is best. What I'm trying to give you is good entry points based on where we are now, and I feel that these are good entry points. Anyhow, I do have, like I said, people I work with on the side, and because of my time constraints, I don't have time to do videos a lot now. Um, with these people, a lot of these prices we're at now, I've been able to make predictions and help these people prepare because I can work more closely with them. But for example, on Apple being down, um, this is something I predicted. So the point is, we're getting a lot of opportunities to buy discounted stocks. So I'm just going to go ahead. I've rambled enough, and I'm just going to give you what I feel at this point where we are now. What are good entry points? I've had people ask, well, so what if it doesn't fall that low? Well, what do? Well, some of these I'm already invested in. Some of them have got away. I'm not mentioning anything that's juiced up. Well, if it doesn't fall that low, then we move on. It's really that simple. But I'm gonna keep it moving here. AMC, $14. GameStop, $90. Tesla, $700. DraftKings, $16.80. Golden Nugget Online Gaming, which was purchased by DraftKings through shares, $6.15. ChargePoint, $13. NEO, $17.40 to $17.50. Lucid Motors, I'm suggesting 50% at $20. The other 50% at $17. If you want to go all in at $20, and a lot of people that are happy to go all in at around $23. Again, that's totally up to you. I'm not going to go in too much to why on these price targets, but we have a lot to cover. But Palantir, $10.50 to $11. Sophie, $9. Hexo, 55 cents. Tilray just purchased a large amount of their debt. Hexo's been beat down a lot, so I think that shows confidence in the company. Clover Health, $2.55. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, 20 cents. Camber Energy, $1. And anyone that was getting it on Tonix Pharmaceuticals on those lows. We moved up about 105% a week ago, but Camber Energy $1. We've seen a lot of volatility in that stock lately. It's a great play on options. I'm not going to go in too much to that, but Camber Energy at this point $1. You know, I think the stock's going to run. I'm not going to go too much all into that in this video, but Pinterest $23, Humanigen $2.60. Disney $130, Apple $153 to $155, Goldman Sachs $320, Amazon $2,750. Now they are getting ready to do a reverse split, so keep that in mind. Snap $25, Netflix $354, Roku $105, Block $85, Cloudflare $87, PayPal $93, Bed Bath & Beyond $13, Snap $25. Yeah, a lot of you probably know the controversy surrounding Snap. So again, I shoot low, I buy low, I sell high. If some of these stocks don't fall to the low I want to get them, I just move on. It's that simple. That's why I cover hundreds of stocks. I either get stuff what I want to pay, what I want to am willing to pay, or I move on, and I get what I want to pay. Peloton $21.50 to $22. Lordstown Motor $2.20. Fisker $10. Roblox $40. Rivian $39.80 to $40. Sophie, I think I mentioned Sophie. Yes, I did. Sorry about that. Volta $4. Plug Power $22. Blink Charging $22.25. DocuSign $92. Upstart $100. Now, Upstart, I thought I made a note there. Now with Upstart, if you want to get 50% at $100 and 50% at $90, that's up to you. You know, like I said, you know, you have to keep a watch on these stocks. You know, you just got to keep a watch on it, but nonetheless, I feel that's a good entry. Twilio $135, Trade Desk $56, Rolls Royce $1.26, Senseonics $1.40, Fubo TV $6.50, 23andMe $3.75, Virgin Galactic $7.10, Nokia $4.60, Beyond Meat $35 to $41, $41 being a speculative entry point, $35 is the level I think Beyond Meat may very well be beat down to before we really see the momentum really start to shift and shorts really start to cover. Nvidia $210, Facebook $190, Snowflake $185, Board Drilling $2.60, Tilray $5.25, Organigram $1.30, Sundial 40 cents. Sundial, I think that's a good speculative entry point. Will they get beat down lower? As I've said, I feel like it's a possibility they could get beat down to 25 cents. You know, that's just my opinion, but if you want to get 50% there and see what happens, I don't know. Again, I'm not addressing day traders. There's a lot of the stuff you can jump into and make plenty of money and get back out, and that's not the type of stuff I'm addressing. I'm addressing prices that you can marry the stock at. So anyhow, Village Farms $4.50, Kronos Group $3.03, Canopy Growth $6, Uxin 82 cents, Orla Mining $4, Wish $1.90, Zomedica Pharmaceuticals 30 cents, Castor Maritime $1, Top Ships $1, or 50% at $1, 50% at 80 cents. Northern Dynasty Minerals 32 cents, highly speculative. You know, and there's a lot I could go into about these stocks, but you know, we'll just keep it moving. Microsoft $270, Google $2,500, and a lot of these I had been suggesting. You know, some people I keep up with have already bought a lot of these. You know, at these prices are cheaper, but you know, again, we are where we are now. BlackBerry $6, good speculative entry point. If you want to get 50% at $6, 50% at $5, I just feel that the stock isn't really going anywhere, and it may need to be beat down to $5. It may be beat down to $5 before there's really a big shift in momentum. Anyhow, Airbnb $135, Nvidia $210, AMD $100, CFLT $32, and that's Confluent. Gores Guggenheim $10.75. I feel that's a good entry point. They will be merging with Polestar in the first half of 2022. And again, I know that's a lot to cover. There are a lot of great investments. There are a lot I left out. I just wanted to get this out while stocks are beat down today. Like I said, I'm extremely limited on time. My goal was to just get out what I could throw together with what I had time to do today. So I did not get time to break these down into categories, but I feel that it's better to get these out. And again, especially for new traders and investors who are wondering, you know, where do I buy into these stocks? And again, this is not financial advice. Trade, invest at your own risk, but you know, I feel that it's better to get this information out than me spend all day talking about the fundamentals on, you know, one stock for weeks at a time, or you know, like others, you know, one stock a week, and then maybe in 70 weeks I will have covered these entry points for you. As I always say, it's very important to do your own research. Keep up with the fundamentals, you know, keep up with what's going on in the economy, you know. And I've put out several videos. I've put out, you know, a lot of information. So, you know, you can feel free to go back and look at that. But again, at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is where you buy and where you end up selling. And that's why, you know, I'm just trying to give you some good entry prices just to get you in, you know, get you in at some good prices. Because, you know, I could sit here all day and talk about all this bullshit going on with all these different stocks. But, and like I said, my focus today isn't making any predictions. It's just trying to get you in at good prices. You know, I can sit and make predictions all day, but we are at a time today when prices are beat down, and I just want to give you good prices. And if anyone has any questions or comments, feel free to leave those. But like I said, my main concern and my main goal is just to get you in on good prices. So you know, that's why I'm not going much over, you know, price targets, fundamentals, price target slash on any of these, or price targets being raised, or earnings, or any of that information, because I'm just trying to take the work I do and squeeze it into a little box, into where you're just getting entry points. You know, that's simple. Like I've said before, at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is how green your portfolio is, and that's what that's what my focus is. You know, I'm not a video maker. I don't care how big I get. You know, it's just about you building up your portfolio. And as I said, there's a lot of stocks I cover. If anyone is interested in having more one-on-one guidance or managing of your portfolio, please feel free to let me know. Like I said, I can give a lot better guidance if I'm helping you on a one-on-one basis on these videos. I'm just trying to get the most information out in the smallest amount of time, because time is something I'm very limited on. And again, I just want to give you good prices on what I feel are good investments. I'm sure I left out some great stocks, but you know, I feel like 70 plus stocks is good enough for one video. So anyhow, I hope this is helpful to you. Um, and just trying to think if I have anything else for you before I go. Again, I know this wasn't a really organized video, but I figured it'd be better to get this out than just say, you know what, I wasn't ready. I didn't get it organized. Like I said, I'm just not going to do it at all. I care that, you get in whatever positions you want at good prices. And that's why I'm just getting this video out today. I can, the people I work with, the, the one thing I do is like, hey, this price is going to go here, this price is going to go there. And what I'm doing for you today is I'm doing that in some instances with where I think the prices are going. In other instances, the prices have just gotten really low, and I'm telling you, I think it's a great buy. So, nonetheless, I hope it's helpful to you. All I can say is it works great for me. It's done well for me. At the end of the day, I just want to see people do as well as I have, and there's certain stocks I'm not going to mention, like DWAC and Funware. They're highly volatile. They can change so rapidly. I'm not going to sit here and give you an entry point and then not get to revisit it in time. And it's just, they're, and someone could say the same about Camber Energy. But as you all know that watch my videos, I was suggesting a 55-cent entry point. I felt the price would likely fall on a 55 cents. So, if you could get into 55 cents, where you sell is up to you. It ended up going to $2, so that was good. I had mentioned in my video that I thought it may very well hit $1 and fall back down. So, but again, where you sell is up to you. The stock may very well soon hit $3. Like I said, and there's a lot of good gas and oil, get gas and oil stocks, and I don't know. There's a lot to cover, but at the end of the day, my goal is just to give you the best prices I can. I realize this is a long video. I know they don't do well, but again, I don't care how well my videos do. I care that those who want to build their portfolio and are struggling in any types of ways to do that are getting some form of guidance. And that's why I'm covering so many stocks, and there's a lot that goes into me feeling that these are good entry points. So anyhow, I guess that's all I have for you. If you all have questions about exit points, feel free to let me know. Always keep an eye on your stocks. Always do your own research. Never invest in a company you don't believe in, because when the price goes down, you'll end up panic selling. I think obviously we're in a highly volatile market. If gas prices continue rising, which is very likely, a recession very well may come sooner than later. And again, as you all know, inflation's pretty ugly. We're going to have interest rates rising. How much will they rise? 25 basis points, with fears circling of 50 up to 100. I don't really have the answers, but what I can tell you is Q1 earnings across the board will probably be weaker. We're in a hurting economy at the moment. As I mentioned before, I felt that we were on the verge of stagflation, and I said the Fed's narrowly avoided a period of stagflation when employment numbers magically tripled from December 21 to January 2022. And people are going to be spending less. People's money are going in gas and groceries, and just, it's that's going to reflect in a lot of companies' earnings. And just keep in mind that we are in a volatile market, and the Russia Ukraine situation, it's not helping matters. And the thing you can't do is sit back and just say, "Oh my God, I'm too scared to invest." So again, that's why I'm giving you these prices, and you know, um, my plan will be similar to last year. I'll probably sell just about everything by November, and we'll see how it goes. But I'll probably sell everything November and pretty much go to all put options on a lot of things, anyways. But we can address that later. Um, but like I said, this video's drug on too long, but I just wanted to cover as much as I could in one video. Um, addressing AMC. Are we going to short squeeze soon? We'll see. Highly manipulated. Retail investors own 90% of the float. Was confirmed by Adam Aaron. Yet, good earnings continue to rise. Yet, highly manipulated, and the manipulation continues. I'm still holding GameStop. Well, I've sold and bought here and there, but the point is, no one knows when it's going to short squeeze, but the shorts are going to be pressured. So I just want to address this one thing. My hope is as interest rates start rising, that the borrowing rates obviously are going to rise as well, pressuring the shorts. And the shorts are just wanting the price lower for they cover. A new video was started by the time it was reached. But anyways, I've mentioned this before, that the shorts may wait to cover until the price is beat, manipulated, however you want to word it, down to $6 to $9. Is it going to get that low? We'll see. No one has all the answers. But, the only thing I can encourage anyone to do who believes in the plays, who believes in the short squeeze, is average down on strike days and strike prices. And since it started a new video, this is not financial advice, trade and invest at your own risk. But, I do believe in the short squeezes. And, but, the plays are highly manipulated. And, there's going to come a time they cover. I do want to throw out there, Inspirato was beat down really low to around $13.50. So anyone who likes extremely high risk, if you want to jump in there around $14, that's a risky investment. But anyhow, the high, I don't have the date right now, but it was a few weeks ago. It was about $108, so very risky. But I'm kind of all over the place in this video. I'm just trying to cover as much as I can, but that's pretty much all I have for you. The bottom line is, if someone was to buy and diversify in a lot of different stocks at good prices versus someone who only covers AMC and they just keep buying more and more and more and more AMC or GameStop, whatever. I mean, what's better odds? Diversifying, right? And buying a lot of different stocks and low prices. Your growth stocks, your value stocks, and your income stocks. Now, the SPY is one I didn't mention. A lot of you know I did predict it would fall to $370. It fell to $364. No one ever confirmed they bought. I doubt, whatever. The point is, I make a lot of accurate predictions. Anyone who does take advantage of those makes a lot of money. The problem is, enough people don't follow that guidance, and that's fine. But anyone who did take that guidance, they're holding SPY now for $370 a share. So, and that's just one example. But where should you buy SPY now? That's something we can take a look at separately. Maybe you'll be able to buy in at $370 again. We'll see. I haven't looked at that closely again because I made the prediction I made, and that was it for the time. But anyhow, I guess that's all I have for you. Um, Again, people who work with me more closely benefit a lot better than. I only have so much time for the videos, so trying to give you some good entry points here, and I hope it's beneficial. I know it's a long video, a lot longer than I meant for it to be, but I guess that's all I have for you. I just feel like there's a lot to cover. There's a lot coming later this year to consider. But anyhow, there's just the thing is there's so many other stocks in crypto I cover. I can't get it. I just want to get it out there. So if anyone wants to invest, you get a good price. But anyways, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. We're over 30 minutes, but thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.